The Insta360 Mic Pro is supplied with a small windscreen which only covers the front capsule. You can get a bigger windscreen that covers the two side capsules as well. Now, because only the front capsule is covered, if you want to reduce wind noise to the minimum, you should use the Omni pattern, not figure of 8, not cardioid, not voice focus. This is because as soon as you choose those patterns, the Mic Pro starts using the side capsules as well as the front capsule. But in Omni mode, it's only using the front capsule, an omnidirectional capsule, and that is covered by the supplied wind muff if you put it on. So in this very quick demonstration, I've tried it with a fan blowing on the mic with the various settings. Because I only tested it briefly, you'll probably need to pause the video as it goes through to actually read the captions explaining what's going on. But it should show you that it's very important in a windy situation to choose Omni and not one of the other polar patterns. Thanks for watching.